Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 11.2.5 and we are going to use top. So you have been tasked with checking the status of a recently repaired system that had chronic high utilization. You must determine whether the machine is under a heavy load. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to run the applicable command to view which processes are consuming the most CPU time and then answer the question that follows. All right, so we'll go ahead and start up lab. So we wait for this lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so that you have access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you in your educational journey. So we wait for this lab to load. Alright, so this lab is loaded and we go ahead and open terminal. From our first task, we are going to type in top and then you press enter and then we'll go ahead and answer the questions. What is the name of the process run consuming the most CPU time? So from our terminal, we'll see that what is consuming the most CPU time is going to be K3D. And what percentage of the overall utilization is being used by the CPU? There's going to be 0. Go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Also share this video in other educational platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, so that other students can benefit also. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.